Okay, it's got it? Okay. So today we're doing a lumbar adjustment on Cassie. Take a deep breath in, Cassie. Let it all the way out and relax. Good. How'd that feel?
Good.
Okay, let's go on the other side. Right. Let me see your bottom arm. Just relax. Take a deep breath in. Let it all the way out. Good. How'd that feel?
Good.
Okay, lay on your back. And come up, sit up. Just cross your arms, grab your shoulders, and bend your head forward. Deep breath in, let it all the way out, and lay back. Okay, good. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to lay back one more time for me. Just going to check your neck out, okay?
Mhm.
I'm going to do a little neck adjustment on you now. Okay, so just relax. How'd that feel?
Good.
Okay. We'll do one more on the other side, okay?
Mhm.
Good. Feel okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You're all set, Cassie. You got it good?
How do I stop?
Just hit the button.